This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the exact URLs and display text you'll add. This saves time and prevents typos. Once done, choose a clear order and optional icons so visitors scan quickly. Make sure tracking parameters like UTM are finalized so analytics are accurate. Now open Linktree, sign in, and go straight to the Links tab. You'll add your first link there. Follow these initial steps to avoid backtracking and keep the editing flow smooth. Once you're in the links area, click Add New Link and paste the URL, then enter a short title that tells users where they'll go. Make sure to toggle options like Open in New Tab or Schedule if you want timed availability, and pin priority links when necessary. If you need tracking, append UTM tags before saving. Then preview the link on mobile and desktop so you can confirm the layout and fix any awkward wrapping or truncation before moving on. Finish by dragging links into the final order and saving. Make sure Publish is active so visitors see updates. You should test each link on mobile and desktop and use an incognito window to avoid cached redirects interfering with results. If a link fails, verify the exact URL, remove unnecessary redirects or tracking to isolate the problem, and confirm Linktree's service status. One key troubleshooting tip: if a link looks right but won't load, replace it with the raw destination URL to rule out redirect issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.